Rose. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is scientists make fastest soft robots. Scientists make fastest soft robot based on biomechanics of cheetah. Scientists were inspired by a cheetah to create a type of soft robot that has a spring power stable spine, meaning that the robot has two stable states. Cheetah are the fastest creature on land, and they derive their speed and power from the flexing of their spines. NC State University researchers have developed a new type of soft robot that is capable of moving more quickly than previous generation of soft robots. Leveraging elastic instabilities for amplified performance, LEAP. Spine-inspired, high-speed and high-force soft robots. New soft robotics based on the biomechanics of a cheetah is also capable of grabbing objects. Soft robots have attracted researchers because of their safe and adaptive interaction with humans. Previous soft robots were crawlers remaining in contact with ground at all times. This limits their speed. The new soft robots are capable of running up steel in slings. This new class soft robots are increased in speed. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.